I'm Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks you can make with your kids. Today I'm making baked sweet potato chips and banana chips. Kids can help by slicing the soft bananas, but an adult should slice that tough sweet potato. After they bake, you'll have 2 crunchy, healthy snacks. Thanks for joining me today. Check the Banneker Facebook page tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.